to the last part here, and that is going to be installing the GPU. What I did was I took out all the stock fans and installed these aftermarket fans on the bottom and the side here, just because I wanted some more RGB because I'm nuts. So let's install this GPU. So the GPU is going to go in that top PCI slot right there. Then we have our DAG bar, which is also going to go there. So probably going to sit like that. So we pretty much have to take the screws out of almost all of these. And it's gotta come in here, guys. I'm sorry. He's in. Flip is up. GPU is in. Beautiful. The big boy. There's 3080 Ti in there. Then our sag bar. This is why I took those other screws out. It's gonna sit like that. Okay. We'll put one screw in here. So what this bar does is it stops. These GPUs are so big now that, they're very long, so they tend to sag in your case if you don't have it mounted vertically. So these sag bars help with alleviating a lot of that sag. And now we just got to connect our power to the GPU, which is 3 8-pins here. One. There. Two. Three right here. Two. Three. Okay, those are in.